Hey everyone, so today's lesson is going to be on multiplying decimals. On the left hand side we're going to have our steps, and on the right hand side we're going to have our example. So the first step is to move the decimals and rewrite the numbers as whole numbers. So on the right hand side we have 2 3/10 times 3 5/10. So I'm going to move the first decimal and then move the second decimal. You have to move all the decimals. So however many numbers there are, you move it. So we moved 1, 2. So we moved 2 spots is how many spots we've moved. I always write this there for the end, which gives us new whole numbers. We have 23 times 35. All right, so for the next step, all we do is multiply. So I want you to use whatever method you are comfortable with. I know for me, I'm comfortable with the box method because that's how my students have learned. So I break it up and I make my box. Does not need to be this big. So I'm going to start with 23. I have 20 plus 3. And on the other side, I'm going to have 30 plus 5. So now we fill in the box. 20 times 30 is 600. 30 times 3 is 90. 20 times 5, 100. And 5 times 3 is 15. What we do next is, So what we do next is we add them all together. So we have 600, 100, 90, and 15. So we're going to add all the numbers together. 0, 0, 0, if we have 5, 10, and 8. So it looks like our answer is 805. But remember, there's a third step. Third step is to put the decimal back. So up here we moved it 2 spots to the right. So we're actually going to move our decimal 2 spots to the left. So our decimal currently is right here at the end of the number. So we're going to move it 1, 2 spots and put it between the 8 and the 0. So our new answer, and the correct answer to this problem, is 8 5/100.